Hey guys, Jaron Craig here, and welcome back to Cryptology. In today's episode, we're going to show you how to stake your labs in the all-new pool on Mantra Dao. I staked in the previous pool, but this pool, in my opinion, has better rewards and functions better. So let's get started. Alright guys, so first of all, you go up to the little hamburger button, click on that, go to your browser, type in mantradao.com, and you'll want to go over to the app, and click the other hamburger button to the top right corner. Go to staking and scroll down. You'll see that there's other lab staking pools in here, but they're all pretty much closed. This one is way down in the bottom. It says labs new. Click on that. You'll see that I have 46,000 labs that I can stake. I'll put that in there on the 100% option. Sometimes it acts funny when it says point something, so go ahead and delete that 0.62. Just keep it a whole number. You'll see that the estimated APR is still 28%, which is much better than the previous one that I was in. And it'll show the estimated daily rewards, which is 36 labs for this amount. So go to next. Stake now. There will be 2 transactions. The first transaction will be to give them permission to use the labs. That's only $1 right now because the gas fees seem to be low. And that transaction is complete. Alright, now that the first one's done, we have our second staking transaction, which is like $2.24. Confirm that. And we're going to skip past this waiting period here. Alright, now that it's all complete, we're going to refresh everything. See if it pops up down here. And there it is. It's all staking. It's giving me my estimated rewards, and I've already earned a small portion of rewards to date. If I ever want to stake more, I simply click on that and push stake more, and you can add the amount. If you'd like to unstake, you can put the amount in. You can either wait the 8 days or you can unstake immediately for a small penalty. That pretty much sums up the new lab staking. If you thought this video was helpful or informative, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to Cryptology. Thank you guys, and goodbye.